Hi guys! Touchdown, Taiwan International Airport. We also tried this Taiwan Lucky Land and our friend won 5,000 NTD. After this, we have decided to take a cab going to our hotel, which is located just behind the Ximending area.
Sarap.
For day 1, tamang food trip lang tayo at tamang lakad-lakad lang along Ximending Walking District. Good morning! It is now our day 2 here in Taipei. And for today, we are going to a lot of places. So first, we are going to have breakfast outside while waiting for the meeting time. And the first stop that we're going is Yelyu Geo Park. After that, we're going to visit the Shifen Waterfall, Shifen Old Street, and Shufen. And after that, maybe we're going back to the hotel at about 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. or we're probably going to grab some dinner first. We're now on the way to have our breakfast before we start our tour. And it's 9:30 a.m. Sarado pa yung mga stores. So, dun tayo sa mga small na kainan. Ang latte.
Ay, dapat kailangan.
This one? This one? Okay, I give the... Yeah. Not yet.
Ang ganda! That's the heart. Ganda. So dito doon ang mga kainan. This is what you call the lemon apple. Di ba vlogger ganyan? Passion fruit and lemon something. What's that? I don't know. Sige, ipili mo na. Parang bawat sulok ng Taiwan ang ganda. Malinis. Ganda ng lantern na umiilaw. Yes, ang dami. Parang gusto ko ng ganito. Walang pipigil sa akin.
哦，去逼刀，拜拜。Okay, now look at me. Take a video. Say bye bye.
We are now here at Jufen.
OK，how about you？没有，我刚刚跟他们讲说，你和莎夏是朋友，但是 relational issue of the Philippines. Also, you get a choice for yourself, your best. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, hi, hi. Hello. Oh, you have your own blog.
Hi guys! This is our day 3 here in Taiwan, and now we are here at the Zhongshe Flower Market. It is so refreshing to see colorful fields of flowers such as the lavender, lily, sunflower, and tulips. Sobrang init nga lang ng punta namin. Tignan niyo naman ako, nagre-reklamo pa ako. Hi guys! For our second stop, we are here at Xunshuitang, or also known as the world's birthplace of bubble tea. Try na natin. Okay lang. Walang lasa. Mas masarap pa din yung coco. Coco pa din ako. Pero cute siya. For the experience.
Dito daw po yung kita.
Hmm?
And that's what I'm thinking for. It's there over there.
Ito yung parang souvenir shop ng Miyahara. Meron silang iba't ibang pastry. Kaso grabe, ang mahal, $420. So, kung sa peso yan, ewan ko na sa 800. Siguro more or less 800 pesos. Ang ganda, parang book. Yan. Tapos itong mga to, hindi ko na alam kung ano sila. Basta, cute sila.
Aso? Ito? Yogurt? Lasa siyang yogurt. Hindi, lasa siyang Yakult na ginawang ice. Plus $10.
Aslam lemon.
Di ba sabi namin cranberry? Ano nangyari?
Ano kasi talaga
Grabe, ang sarap. Hello, gusto ko din to. Oh my God. Teka, may pera pa ba ako? Shucks. Ay, grabe, ang sarap din ng presyo. Hey guys, so ito yung loob ng Miyahara main branch. Ayan, grabe, ang laki niya. Tapos ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya dito sa loob. Hi! Ang laki, no? Ang ganda dito. Ay, na-vlog din siya. Wow. Ganda. Tapos ang daming masasarap na pagkain. Kaso mahal. Welcome to Ilocos! So, ito na po yung wooden trail. Mahaba-haba pa siya, hanggang dun pa siya sa dulo. And I think beach na yung banda dun. Sobrang daming tao lang and mahaba-habang lakarin pa siya. Hindi na natin siya pupuntahan kasi limited lang yung time natin kapag naka-tour package tayo. This is the last stop of our tour. And after this, uuwi na kami. Babalik na kaming Taipei. After namin bumalik ng Taipei, kami ay mamamasyal-masyal pa ulit. Baka siguro magna-night market. Hi! Did you enjoy?
Yes,
How was it?
it's so nice, tiring, but nice. Cannot English anymore.
Pagod na kami. Pero hindi, yung pagod namin today, hindi siya yung katulad kahapon.
Yung pagod ngayon, yun yung pagod ng Geopark pa lang.
Oo, yung day 1 ng mga tour namin, sobrang nakakapagod kasi yung una naming pinuntahan, tabing dagat siya. So, sobrang init. Sobrang ganda ng view, pero grabe din yung init. Literal na pagbaba pa lang namin ng bus, pinabawisan na kami.
Hey guys, it's our day 4 in Taiwan and we just planned a DIY trip. First, we are going to Taipei Zoo via MRT. We just searched our way around the station in Google and surprisingly, napaka-convenient and organized ng public transportation system dito sa Taiwan. And we're here! Diba? Sobrang cute. Grabe, feeling ko nag-field trip lang ako. Na-excite ako dahil sasakay tayo ng cable car. Before tayo mag-Taipei Zoo, akyat muna tayong Makong Station. Hindi na nga rin pala kami pumila dahil meron na kaming online ticket from Klook.
Saan tayo kakain? Punta dun sa kanila. Sige. Ito yung ibang kainan. Wow! So, itatry ko to. Braised pork, tsaka tong fishball soup. Ayan, ito na siya. Ito yung fried noodle. Tapos, yun yung fishball soup. Ito, laging may fishball soup talaga dito sa Taiwan. Hi! Fresh milk. Ayoko. Fresh milk. It's me! Ano ba? Hello! Ba't ka sleeping sa may fork? Done with Taipei Zoo! Dami naming hindi nakitang animals kasi yung iba sa kanila tulog or nagtatago kasi sobrang init ng panahon. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong pinlog.
Hi guys! Punta naman tayo sa Taipei 101 Observatory and this time mag-bus naman tayo.
This one, I will change your time to 6 p.m. I change your ticket first. Change your first.
Kung gusto niyo ng food trip, dito kayo pumunta sa Rauhe Night Market. Dami pagkain.
Sad to say, it is our last day here in Taiwan, so we have decided to take things slow and just enjoy every moment. No packed itinerary, and it's just going to be a nice chill day. The plan is pretty simple. We just wanted to visit a few temples, pick up some last-minute souvenirs, and end the day with a relaxing stroll around Ximending. Sometimes, the best way to wrap up a trip is to slow down and soak it all in before heading back home.
We are now at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Park. picture. Baba tayo para magpa-stamp. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Chiang Kai-shek. Pagbaba nyo, meron pang mga exhibition. Wow. Okay, so nandito lahat ng kailangan ko at gusto ko. Ang ganda, di ba? Sobrang cute.